In front of me is TCL 205, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first, just open your browser, tap on More icon then, and select History. And here, click on Clear Browsing Data, where you will find basic and advanced options. Under basic, you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. Then if you switch to advanced options, you have few more features here. So you can also delete saved passwords, out of inform data, and site settings. And if you wish to stay with something, if you want to leave it and do not delete it, just unmark it. But I would like to remove everything. Then just pick the time range here and click on Clear Data. Confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.